Hi, I'm Michelle Sweetser, the head of the Center for Archival Collections here at BGSU. I got my undergraduate degree in anthropology and fully expected that I would have a career as an archaeologist. But in fact, it was working with one of my archaeologist professors that I had the opportunity to work in the college's archives. And through that work, I felt such a sense of wonder and discovery in holding documents from the early 18th century, the connection to the past and the people of the past, as well as a sense of adventure and learning how to read the script of the time and to understand the arcane language that was used in the documents themselves. I went on from there to study archives administration at the University of Michigan, where I got my degree and then spent about a dozen years working as the university archivist at Marquette University in Milwaukee, before coming to BGSU to head up the Center for Archival Collections about 3.5 years ago. I enjoy working at the UL and in particular working with a fabulous team of colleagues who work really hard to ensure the preservation of a diverse range of stories around the region, as well as making those stories accessible to the public.